Welcome to Tech News and Updates channel, iTech News. OPPO Pad Air with 10.362K display, Snapdragon 680, quad speakers, Dolby Atmos launched in India starting at 16,999 rupees. OPPO's first tablet in India, the Pad Air, was introduced at the event. It has a large 10.36-inch 2K, 2000 x 1200 pixel display, an 83.5% screen-to-body ratio, and an eye protection mode. It weighs 440 g and has a thin body of 6.94 mm with a sunset dune texture design. The OPPO Pad Air is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset coupled with AI System Booster 2.1 and RAM expansion technology. Packs a 7100 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support, has an 8MP rear camera, a 5MP front camera, and a quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos sound effect. It runs ColorOS 12, which is specially designed for tablets and is based on Android 12. OPPO Pad Air comes in grey color and is priced at 16,999 rupees for the 4GB 64GB version and 19,999 rupees for the 4GB plus 128GB version. It will be available on Flipkart, OPPO online store and offline stores. Please subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. Please like, share and subscribe.